When you think of serviced accommodation, you probably think, swanky apartments in the city centre, but to me, I think solid terraced townhouses that have the ability to create massive cash flow. Hi, I'm Simon, best known for my rent-to-rent portfolio, and today I'm going to share with you exactly why I prefer solid terraced properties for serviced accommodation rather than apartments. If you're brand new to the channel, every single week we release new material on serviced accommodation, HMO, BRRRR and rent to rent. If that sounds good, smash the subscribe button right now, comment below and put your thumb up to like this video. Now look, the thing you've got to remember with serviced accommodation is some of the business is going to be tourism and leisure, but the business we really want is the corporate and the construction. The business that doesn't go away, that's not seasonal and that's consistent. And these houses around 10-15 minutes from the city centre, any major city centre, can absolutely smash it. And there's 5 key reasons why I prefer them to apartments. Number 1, they're bigger, okay? When you're dealing with houses, you've got bigger properties and that means bigger cash flow. This property is 2 bedrooms, but it's got 2 reception rooms. So it means I can have 3 sleeping areas and it can sleep 6 to 8 people, meaning I can charge a lot more. Number 2, you've got the whole unit. And when I go in this front door, I'm in the property. I don't have to go into a building and then up an elevator and then into my unit. And I've found that's headaches because you're bothering neighbours. You have to do a key safe for the building and then the apartment, and there's just too many barriers to entry. So I would prefer to have a whole house, and therefore my group of construction workers or corporate workers or whatever can enjoy the full property. Now look, you've still got neighbours to keep happy, but typically these houses are built well, they're built to last. So I don't see the same issues that I do as when I'm in apartments with thin walls. Number 3, there's no leases, okay? So typically houses are freehold, okay? So as long as you've got the right mortgage and credentials, you are free to go as you please. And this is amazing actually, because a lot of my properties with rent to rent are unencumbered and therefore I've got a free run. But not having to worry about the leasing and get the permission from the freeholder or the leaseholder is amazing. Number 4, especially on the rent to rent side, they come in a lot cheaper. You can get something like this for £600, maybe even £500. Whereas if I go in town, I'm getting less and having to pay a lot more. And something like this, I might be able to charge £100 per night for, and the guaranteed rent might be 600 quid. So it's massive ability to get big cash flow. So look, if you're looking to get into serviced accommodation, whether it's purchasers or rent to SA, do not rule out simple, standard, tough, bold and windy terrace houses.